So today we're gonna do a portrait shoot. Sun is setting, we have beautiful light, we have an amazing model, my friend Sophia.
Aww.
And then her pet Ladybug that we just picked up off the floor.
Juniper.
And we have an amazing makeup artist who did the makeup for today. Her name is Sarah. So we have this beautiful look today, we have a beautiful model, and we're ready to shoot. So join me on my portrait session and the Ladybug. We got this from the floor. But you should put it on your face and I'll get a shot.
Yeah, we'll do it.
Okay. So we're gonna put the Ladybug on Sophia's face.
Juniper representing cruelty-free beauty.
There we go. Yes.
In my nose.
Haters will say it's Photoshop. Okay, I think we can let her go now.
Yeah.
We're gonna miss you.
You are so beautiful.
But she didn't sign the release. I'll just email you, okay? Look at, she's on her way. She's like, I'm not signing nothing.
She's fast.
She's a track star.
Runner, she's a track star.
She's a runner, she's a track star. Let's do some with the white. Oh, I love the sunlight in this. California is great because it has a lot of concrete walls, plain, neutral background, so this is perfect. And we're just gonna have Sophia.
Sophia, that's her name.
I knew she was gonna call me out. We're not taking any pictures today, are we? I love this. My shadow's in this, so I'm gonna make sure that it's not. Yeah, that's cute. You are a soldier right now. It's like beaming light into your eyes, and she doesn't even care.
I used to stare at the sun. There's more. I was gonna say more.
And now you just have eye damage. Okay. Separate your hands. I like to, yeah, when you had your hands separate. Yeah. You had your hand kind of like that, yeah. Lovely. Great job. See, I planned this photo shoot purposely during this time of day because I knew the sun would be lower and we'll have softer light. Lean back a little bit. Y'all love my shadow. I'm not paying attention to my shadow and it's in the pictures. It's shadow maneuvering right here. Okay, Yalla, let's go to a new location that I don't know where that is because we just walk around and we try to find nice areas. Oh, I like this tree a lot. Do maybe one of the, like, I don't know.
Yep, in it.
I'm not a model. I don't know. Yes. Okay. It's giving me like Miami, sunshine. You're literally on the beach in Miami right now. I'm here, girl. Did I just create a studio inside of this tree right now? Like, tell me we're not like paying $50 an hour or $500 an hour. Okay, so look what we just did here. We put her underneath this giant leaf, creating a nice composed shot. Gotta make sure the settings are all right. It's a little dark in here. You know, if we had a reflector, maybe a strobe. I liked it better when your body was facing me. Lovely. You know what's crazy? Alhamdulillah, like I never get, I'm gonna drink myself, I'm not gonna say anything. I was gonna say I never get in trouble when I shoot here, but watch, we're gonna get in trouble because I said that. I put it out in the universe. Police is gonna come and they're gonna arrest us. Is that the police? I told you guys. I manifested it. It is. I told you, I swear.
They laughed at it, they smiled.
Did you? But tell me I didn't predict that. Let's do this one without the hat. Plot twist, I just wanted to wear it. Doesn't match with the outfit, but it's mustard and ketchup pretty much. Oh. Damn, they're trying to kill me out here in California. I'm trying to go back home in one piece. Yes, love that. This is so like Earth Child right here. Imagine if I took like bad pictures. You're doing all this. I don't know why I said that.
Look at you. Put that in there.
We're like conducting a photo shoot.
Like
That actually sounded so conceited. It's not. I'm just saying, like, imagine we're doing this whole, people think we're doing this professional thing in like ISOC. I should do a photo shoot and like, if somebody walks by, I'll be like, oh my God, look this picture I took of her. And then it'll be like the worst photo. And then you should be like, oh my God, this is amazing. Like, wow, you're amazing. Yeah. We're onto something here. Okay, let's do a couple last ones here. Love this. Okay, perfect. Let's keep it moving. Look at that flower bush thing. I want to go shoot there, but I don't have the courage and I don't want to get yelled at. So that white wall was like, I was feeling it. I think we should walk back to that. Let's walk back. We flopped it, you guys. We tried. Actually, let me see right here. Oh God.
Look at that bark at first. It was so weird.
It's always... Yeah, we'll take some right here. Nice green background. Looking here. And then you can have your hair down. Yeah. I'm trying not to get that sign in the back. Yeah, just the other arm. Let's have it show more. Yeah. Yes, perfect. Yeah, that's great. Stay right there. Stay right there. Love that. Good job. Okay, let's go back to those walls. We love the walls. Right here. Like, how did we function without each other? Maybe we could take some right here. Like, you could be standing here. Let me like do one of these, like paparazzi, like I'm in the bushes. No, I don't want a lot of greenery. Where's Sarah? Did we lose her? Did she get kidnapped?
I've heard about this.
Oh my God, she got arrested. They arrested her. Sarah, I really... Thank you. I grew it myself. Did you like that joke? I grew my hair myself.
I love all your jokes. You should have a book of all your jokes, all your sayings.
Thank you.
You should.
Wow, I love the support. Okay, let's do this garage. Wait, no, that's their garage. We don't want to get arrested. The whole point of this video is not to be arrested.
Should I sit here? It's like nice.
Yeah, let's just do it. Yeah. Yes, right here. Yes. Okay, perfect. But let's like structure your legs. My video can't be restricted, Sophia.
Okay. You know.
I love you. Okay. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. Yeah. See, I just love plain walls. Like have more of the hair from the side pop out. Yeah, like that. Yeah. You guys, we're getting tan today, all of us. Let's do one where you're kind of like mid-movement, and then I'll just, yeah, yep. Like moving your arms, yeah. Yes, great. Like leaning back, and then moving your arms a little, yeah. Looking this way. Yeah, let's have your hair, yeah. Yeah, stay right there. I think we can have you change.
I made that way harder.
That could have ended badly. We did it. Okay.
Like one. Let's make it a handshake.
Okay.
First of all, your hands are so sweet. I have to make a delicate handshake for you.
Really?
Yeah, look at your hands. Okay.
My cat licks them every morning.
Maybe that's what it is. Gentle, gentle.
Boom, boom.
Okay, that's it.
Okay, let's remember that.